Alright, so I'll show you my trade recap. Oh, start now. Here's my recap of the day. So, coming in the morning, I was kind of more bullish on the bullish side. Um, because of this right here, 9:30. Oh, wait, first off, we had 10 a.m. news, Jolt's job opening, so I was waiting for that. But I was in the morning. I was just mainly bullish. Like at the beginning, I was just leaning more bullish because we threw in these relative equal highs at like 9:30. So yeah, and we just sold off, took out London. So longs seemed good to me. We came into this 5 minute gap right here, as you can see. There's not a 15 minute yet. There's I believe like a 3 minute inversion to the downside that you would have got broke even on if you were targeting this previous day low, but it did inverse, as you can see. I didn't take this; I just forward tested it, but boom, fucking insane. Just take so we hit our break even point. You may have, if you were going for like a 1-to-1, you would have hit take profit for sure, I think. And then but yeah, if you wanted that, you know previous day low, nah, you're fucking fucked. So I was waiting for news. Believe, yeah, news already came out, so we took data highs and lows, so it really wasn't anything. But we did create this 15 minute gap. As you can see, we come into it right here. I'm like, all right, well, on ES, we're going to create this 5 minute. So I'm like, all right, cool. If we can displace through this 5 minute and inverse the highest time frame in this leg, then I'll enter for shorts and I'll flip my bias. We did have an SMT at London lows, and not previous day low, but this low like right here. So, because previous day low, there was a SMT, like which one, you know what I'm saying? So like previous day low yesterday was made fucking at 3 p.m. or some shit, when ours was from 6 p.m. open or whatever. Yeah, so that's why it's like that. But yeah, so come up into this 15 minute gap, so we can see ES comes, takes out these highs inside of this 15 minute gap right here. We hit this premium 15 minute gap. I know this like hourly is technically like inverse, whatever, but I mean, it's just showing bearish order flow right now. So what do? On NASDAQ, I look for the highest time frame in this leg. So boom, 5 minute. We don't have a 5 minute, a 4 minute. Well, that kind of gives it away. 4 minutes the highest time frame, as you can see. So boom, we come up, reject 15 minute. We throw in this SMT at the highs. So I'm no longer really concerned about these equal highs up here. As you can see, these are equal highs, like triple equal highs, and then these relative equal highs. These are equal highs as well right here, like back to back. But then we threw in this 9:30 wick that threw in these relative equal highs that I wanted to target if I was bullish. So like I said, highest time frame inversion of leg was the 4 minute. Rejecting 15 minute. We have an SMT. So we have clear break even and take profit point with previous day low. So I'm not concerned about these SMTs at this point. So boom, as you can see, ES, this is my break even point right here on ES. I'll throw this right here, break even. All right, so then you can see we're gonna make this 5 minute gap. I don't know why it's like so weird looking. Yeah, so here we're just displacing through as we inverse this 4 minute gap. So I enter shorts, throw stop at that high, the SMT high, take profit at the previous day low for a little tiny bit over a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Boom, it looks great. It looks like we're about to fucking, just instantly go down to drawn liquidity. But I'm wrong. No, we're not. We're gonna fucking chop for 30 fucking minutes. Almost hit stop loss. But basically, yeah. ES takes the break-even point, which is this low. So we threw in an S&T there. So stop loss to break even. They also come down and take London lows, as you can see here. So I already then, don't even want to be in the trade at this point. And I already am out, by the way. I already got broke even. Like, I got broke even. Here, I'll show you in the 1 minute. So when we made this candle right here at 10:38, when we just like actually shat down, that's when they hit the break even point on ES, as you can see. So I was like, all right, fuck it. I'm not fucking no. Like, I've already sat through this bullshit. I'd rather just come away with nothing than lose whatever. And like, I mean, realistically, I'm following my model. Like, I should go break even there no matter what. So, boom, I get broke even. They took London lows. So, once that happens, I'm already like, yeah, no, fuck. Shorts are fucking already just like, it's over with. I don't want to be in shorts. And if I did want to keep trading today and whatever, I would have taken this 1 minute long right here, if I'm being honest with you. So, yeah, I mean, they're in a 4-hour order block. Could have been a reason why we're kind of just like moving retardedly. I think same with us. I don't even know if we hit that shit. Yeah, we did. So, I mean, that also could be why. It could be the fact that Trump's speaking in 3 minutes. I don't know. But, yeah. So, as you can see, like I did say, I was like, all right, well, this 1 minute. And it did play out to my draws and liquidity. So, yeah, now let's just close this off. All right. So, yeah, no, the fucking longs worked, but I was just reacting to the price, and, I mean, it technically did what it was supposed to do. I mean, I got broke even, so, NASDAQ just didn't sell off like I wanted it to, or like it should have. ES did all the fucking work to the downside, while... Like, I don't understand how that happens when we're the leading index to the downside, but whatever, so broke even. I'll show executions too, or what this could say. Bro, I actually hate this shit so much. ES pisses me off. I took that long too, though. I don't know, just didn't answer. Yeah, today is so retarded. Prob not a bad thing. You didn't take it even though you would dub. Yeah, today is so retarded. Prob not a bad thing. You didn't take it even though you would have dub. Alright, executions. Let's go MNQ. Went in with 1 micro again. Or, I'm trying to do light risk, but I mean, this is fucking massive, bro. I mean, like, if I'm putting in 2 micros, I'm risking 177. That's more than I set my daily loss limit to 150. Like, so I was risking like about $83, I think, to make 93. Yeah. That's right. Yeah. But here are the executions, as you can see. I sold and bought. It's kind of like, it looks retarded because it's like the camera's inverted, but yeah. Account summary. So lost $2 from fees or whatever, I guess. I don't know. Definitely not fucking slippage or anything. I don't know if that's what it's called. But yeah, no, so that was my trade for the day. Very, very, very awful price action from like what time did it just start doing bullshit? Like 10:10 or something. Like basically since I entered, so until I guess it started moving at, yeah, so 30 minutes. 30 minutes, broke even, and then we finally fucking got our longs, so, but I didn't take it. Yeah, I think it should play up to this hourly internal high. But we did take Asia and London now. Really nothing left to go through. I mean, like I said, this was the setup. 15-minute rejection, as you can see here. 4-minute inversion. S&T at the highs. I'll draw this right here for you to see. Boom. And yeah, relative equal lows with fucking previous day low. So that's it. Not much to go over left. So that's my trade for the day.